Hello everyone, it's Nanda. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how I make a cardboard egg using thin cardboard pieces. So here I have the first piece of the cardboard Easter egg. This one is from a Cheez-It box. And here I have the other side of the Cheez-It box. And I usually like to start with the Cheez-It boxes first because they are more sturdy. But if you don't have it, you can just use the cereal boxes. As you can see, I have 9 pieces of thin cardboard in here, and they are from cereal boxes. So in total, it's gonna be 10 pieces glued together. The first thing that you're gonna need is an egg template you can find online. So just print it out the size that you want. So I have in here the biggest size that I can print it. So this is the first piece that I'm going to glue in here. And then you're gonna need a paintbrush, something that you're gonna put your paintbrush on because it's gonna be dirty with the glue. And then I have my glue in here in this plastic container. The glue that I'm using here is the Tacky Glue by Aleene's. Then you're gonna need scissors, and you're going to need a old piece of clothing because your hands is gonna get dirty, and then you, instead of using just your fingers to press on the cardboard together, you need to have a piece of cloth because it's much easier to go around. I'm gonna move all these other pieces out, and I'm gonna leave just the Cheez-It box one. I'm going to apply the glue all the way in here, and then I'm gonna glue on this side. Every time that you're going to apply the glue on the side of the egg, you gotta make sure that you glue on the side that have the images. So now I'm going to clean my fingers, and then I'm going to press this on. And now I'm going to rub with the cloth all the way through until the glue is dry. And keep going. So I'm doing this in real time, so you see how long it usually takes to glue 2 pieces together. See, it's still moving, so you gotta continue to press it on. All right, so this part is done. So now I'm going to cut. And there you go. Now it's ready to glue on the next piece of cardboard. Now turn to this other side and do the same thing around the edges of the cardboard egg. So there you go. I have in here 3 pieces glued together. So now I need 7 more pieces. So I will continue to glue all the pieces together, and when I reach to the last one, I will come back and finish with you guys. All right, so here I have 9 pieces of cardboard glued together, and now we're going to glue the last piece together. And I forgot to let you guys know that you can alternate it, like if you glue on this side, so next time you glue on this other side, and then the next one you glue on this other side, and then the next one you glue on this side. So now I'm going to apply the glue in here. So there you go. I have 10 pieces of cardboard glued together and looks pretty good. So now what I am going to do is I'm going to put this on another table. So it has to be on a flat surface, and then I'm going to put a whole bunch of heavy books over the top, and I'm gonna leave in there for more than 24 hours. The longer, the better. So I'm just gonna put this one away, and then I will bring the other one that is already done just to show you guys how it looks like when it's completely dry, because right now it's still soft. So okay, I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm gonna be right back. Here is the cardboard egg, what it looks like after you remove from the bottom of the heavy books. I forgot to let you guys know that you can always put heavy items on top of the books when you put your cardboard eggs on the bottom of the books. So you can put canned food, like those big canned food, it adding more weight, so you keep the cardboard egg flat. So you want this as much flat as you can. It's not gonna look as perfect as a wood egg, but it looks perfect. Around the edges, I am going to sand with a nail file. So there you go, it's smooth after you sand it. So wipe it down with a dry cloth. And there you go, it's ready to be decorated, and we're going to do this on my next video, which I'm gonna show you all the other cardboard eggs that I made for Easter. So we're gonna do this one together, and then all the other ones I'm just gonna show you the final results. So I had so much fun showing you guys how to create a cardboard egg using thin cardboard pieces. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Check it out my channel, check it out my Easter crafts playlist. So if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you here, and thank you so much for spending your time with me. Until next time, bye.